She's at this stage where all she wants to do is pray, focus, manifest, and hustle. So she's releasing negative energy and welcoming peace. She's no longer easily accessible. She's in her own lane, and there's no speed limit or traffic to slow her down.
There go a car seat for your baby.
Just don't jinx me like that. Like, I think I can go a couple of years without having it.
Me too. That sound good. Years sound good.
It's not. It doesn't have like a sticker.
They got some over here. These stickers not it?
No.
You tried them?
Yeah, I tried those. Mama. No, I didn't try those. Those are just the biggest sticker on the box. So I didn't try it.
Well, try this one.
I tried all of them. I went around the whole box.
Oh.
But this is nice. It's blue, and it has like enough space.
Look, yeah, we in Walmart. Dropped off Alicia. Now I'm in here with Joy. So hey, babe.
Hey, y'all. By the time you got two?
Yeah, you can just get a big one. Alright, y'all. Me and Joy separated. I went on and got the honey. And he is getting some chicken wings, and I am looking for my protein bars. Do I want the almonds? I want the peanuts. Alright, y'all. Jordan forgot the cornmeal. He didn't realize. And then Bowser, he didn't realize that he forgot the cornmeal until he got home. And I was doing the haul. But yeah. So now I'm finna run to the dollar store. And I'm gonna pray they got it. Because I don't know about y'all dollar store, but ours need to close down. Because they don't ever have them. The only thing the dollar store keep is laundry detergent and toilet paper. And they laundry detergent be high as I don't know what. Like I said, that's in my city. I don't even really go. Well, I go to the one in the Bay. That's by Burt's. I'll go to that one every now and then, and they actually keep theirs pretty stocked. But ours, them people so lazy in there, and they don't got self-checkouts now. And because they self-checkout, they don't even want to open up a register. So it's only one self-checkout. So everybody be standing in line, and it's like, if you don't want to do the self-checkout, they'll be like, well, we stocking right now. And it's a lot of people that'll leave out because they was like, I'm not using the self-checkout. And they will leave their stuff sitting in the basket and leave. Because they be having a good bit of stuff. And then they'll say, well, our manager have us on the floor stocking. But it's like, no. 5 people on the floor stocking. Y'all don't want to do self-check. I mean, y'all got people doing self-checkout. They don't care. And I don't like using those. Like, I'm already paying for my stuff. So I should not have to just be scanning my stuff. Like I said, I'll do it if I have to, but that's it. Lord have mercy. Let me try to go in and out of this dang old place, because Lord knows I don't want to. And you don't be knowing if you park in the front, they be trying to hit you. You park in the back, these fools are trying to hit you. It's just, Lord have mercy. It just ain't. It ain't. This is not a store I like to come into. But let me run in here and get this. I hope they got some. All I see, let's see. One. Oh, this is the white. Oh my God. See, this is why I said they don't have shit here. Let me see. Try to see if they have. I hate this store. I told you I hate coming here. Let me see. They got fish fry. Good, I'll get one of these. Let me get him 2. Alright, and now the rain is coming back down. Lord have mercy. Ooh. Okay. I'm going to show y'all what I got when I get home. This is going to be a second other little haul. I forgot I had to get some milk, so I went on and got it when I was in here. They just gonna have to drink it, because I am not going back to Walmart. And I forgot to get the milk from Walmart when we went earlier. Like I said, we were just trying to run in and out of there. I ran in and out of there. You see, I didn't even get a basket. Right. Got milk, 1 little gallon. I got these Pillsbury grain biscuits. They didn't have the Dollar Store brand, because I would have got the Dollar Store. Got my Nutri-Grain strawberry bars. These are the ones I got from out of Walmart. And I got this little boy bag of chips, just so he can have for now. Thank you. Keep running. Don't play with me. Yes. And I got Jordan 2 things of fish fry, because y'all seen they ain't had a cornmeal. So he's gonna fry the catfish. So, there's no difference between blue crabs and gumbo crabs. Gumbo crabs are blue crabs. They just clean them for you. Sometimes they may be a little bit smaller, sometimes they are not. So he ended up giving Mama extra, because he said some of them was a little bit smaller than the others. So she got a dozen, a little bit over a dozen, and she will be making her crab stew. And y'all done seen her do her crab stew before. So she's having that for Sunday. Jordan got some shrimp. I think he did 15, and these are the large shrimp. He's doing a recipe for this, so you guys stay tuned. And I'm not sure what kind it is, but y'all stay tuned if y'all interested in seeing the recipe to this. And it's going to be like game day food. And then he got some catfish, because he's going to fry some catfish for today. He got the on the border Monterey Jack queso, a thing of honey, some chipotle sauce, 2 of the Rico's gourmet nachos. Y'all know we like this one. Then he got the rotel, some on the border chips, a pack of fries. I picked these up. Y'all will see that in my walkthrough. The Nature Valley sweet and salty nut. These are the peanut with the peanut butter ones. Hold on, Philip. 1 pack of ground beef, and we have some more ground beef in the freezer. That's going to add to this. Some flats and drumettes. That's going to go to his other dish, and some butter. So just a quick haul. But yet and still, this is going to be for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For 5 different meals. So this little bit here is going to be for 5 different meals. 3 of them are going to be game day meals. The other 2 are just for the house. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned if y'all are interested in seeing what Jordan will be doing. Again, y'all make sure y'all check out the cooking channel. It is Cooking with Pops. That link is going to be in the description box below. Always check my description box, because I have the link to all our channels, so you will not miss anything. So we will see you guys later. Make sure y'all stay tuned, because me and my daughter Alicia, say hey Alicia, we went to Goodwill and Dirt Cheap today. So I will have a haul coming up from that, because she's moving into her home. Huh? No, you ain't got to do it today. We'll do it another time. So she'll be doing a haul soon for the stuff that she got from there for her house. And then I did a walkthrough, and that will be on the main channel. So y'all just check them out. Stay tuned. Make sure y'all notifications are on. We love you guys. Y'all stay safe. Enjoy y'all Labor Day weekend. We love you all, and we will see y'all later. Bye, guys.
Just text, I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost such